Pet owners may be looking forward to ringing the new year, but many of their animals often fear the loud noise of the annual celebrations. We take a look at how you can protect your pets over the festive season.
The holiday season isn't over just yet. With the start of the new year just around the corner, pet owners are being warned. Those fireworks and other loud celebratory noisemakers can cause our four-legged friends quite a bit of stress.
The fireworks are really scary, like anything loud noises and whatnot are so scary for the pups.
It's why some pet owners say they've started taking extra precautions before the clock strikes midnight.
I've started trying to give her a pill. She'll usually just shake and hide in the bathroom, so usually we don't do much.
To keep pets safe during festivities, the U.S. Humane Society suggests staying indoors, closing windows, and playing music or a TV show to distract. Even wearing out your pets during the day can help them get through those loud nights more peacefully.
I don't think any animal really likes it, to be honest with you.
And if you haven't already, experts suggest this may be the time to safeguard your pet with a trackable ID tag.
Make sure that your pup is chipped. Any local shelter or your veterinarian can do that, and keep up with your address change as well. That's really important.
And if you have the option, animal welfare groups suggest laser shows or drone displays as quieter alternatives to fireworks.